Oxford Street, more than most roads, needs to keep up appearances. Which is why Craig Deemer and his team of window cleaners are here bright and early. Today, this office block is in their sights. The owners want the windows cleaned before the shops open their doors in a couple of hours' time. The team unpack the van and get ready. First up, they need to make the pavement safe.
We just create a little drop zone so people can walk without getting tangled up in our roads.
This being Oxford Street, cleaning the windows takes a little more than a rag and a bucket. With no space for erecting a platform or machinery, they're going to have to do this one from the top down.
In the middle of Oxford Street, it'll be very busy in the next half an hour or so. Our biggest concern is the weather. It's predicted thunderstorms later.
So they quickly head to the roof to get started. They're taking the easy way up. But it'll be the hard way down. They're going abseiling. With such extreme window cleaning ahead, they need specialist equipment and the all-important high-tech cleaning solution.
Bit of washing up liquid with a bit of water. That's the secret. Okay, let's go.
These ropes can take the weight of 5 fully grown men, so there's no concern over them snapping. But Craig has another worry.
Any rubbing of the rope on a sharp edge will just cut the rope. That's our main concern.
Fortunately, they have a solution.
We use Kevlar matting.
Kevlar is 5 times stronger than steel and will prevent any disasters. Craig and Andy will be doing the first run. Back on the ground, trainee rope window cleaner Sean will be keeping an eye on the clock. He doesn't know it yet, but he's also going to be having a go himself.
The shop will be open at 9 o'clock, so we've got to get these 2 front elevations done before the shop opens.
But even with all safety measures taken, the experienced hands are apprehensive.
If you ain't nervous, then you're more likely to make more mistakes.
And with one last text to his mum, it's time to clean some windows.
So this is the best bit, the point of no return.
As they progress down, those Kevlar safety mats are doing their job. And the windows certainly need plenty of attention. The street has near permanent bus and taxi traffic, a horde of pigeons, and this particular building is next to the giant building works at the Crossrail site. This could take a lot of washing up liquid.
Cleaning the windows, come up to the bars. Bit difficult to get your arm behind. Apart from that, great views, great scenery.
With the seasoned pros getting the windows above the alley and doorway finished in time for the shops to open, Craig has a surprise for trainee Sean.
Right, Sean, it's your turn, buddy.
Hey.
All right, how'd you feel about it, bud?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, looking forward to it.
All right, go steady. All right, I'll be down the bottom if you need me.
It's not trainee Sean's first time up the rope, but Oxford Street has more distractions than most. And with the rain due within the hour, this will be a test of his ability to focus and get the job done. He fancies his chances.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in. You've got to really concentrate, really knuckle down in your training course. And then that all shows when you're out on the ropes.
But now's the moment to keep his cool. He's tying the ropes that will take his weight once he's hanging over the edge of the building.
Make this loop shorter, but between the 2 eights, yeah? Where you had the other 8. Look like you're shaking a little bit now.
Excited, looking forward to going over the edge. Doing some window cleaning.
Down on the ground, Craig is also waiting for Sean to get on with the job.
When we do this bit and go over the edge, the adrenaline kicks in, and it's great.
Sean is now suspended over Oxford Street, at the mercy of the ropes he tied himself. But Andy is watching his every step.
Try and make sure your rope protector's all done up nice and secure.
It's now up to Sean and Andy to clean the rest of the windows and divvy up the work.
I can't get the...
Well, you can't get there. Is it just too much of a stretch for you? I'll get your bit of window. So that's your half and my half.
Quite what the office workers inside make of it is anyone's guess. And by the end of the drop, Sean is confidently cleaning windows like an old pro.
Well done. Good effort. Yeah, a bit more swinging and you'd be fine in there.
I really enjoyed that. getting over the edge was a bit of a buzz and a bit of adrenaline. Then coming down, and yeah, it was good.
But with several hundred stores on Oxford Street needing their windows cleaned, there's a steady stream of work for the boys. But that's a job for another day.
We can drive away happily, the job's been completed on time.